Class, welcome back to our online class today. It's me again, Teacher Jenny. Today is Thursday, December 17, 2020. And every Thursday, everyone, our first session, we are going to study Writing Bright 1. Unit 3, Present Progressive, Saturday morning. This is our continuation only from our previous lesson to page 29. We are also going to review our previous topic regarding tips for better sentences and common mistakes. So here's our review from our previous lesson. Tips for better sentences. Connecting actions with and. So we are going to recall this topic one more time. Here are the examples. The girl is singing. The girl is dancing. So we have how many sentences for this first example? We have 2, right? Now, what we are going to do is we need to combine present progressive verb with and. So here's the example. The girl is singing and dancing. Another example in here is the people are shouting. The people are yelling. So we need to combine these 2 sentences to one sentence only with and. So here, the people are shouting and yelling. So where's the be verb in here? Are, correct. People are shouting and yelling. So here's our quick review regarding our previous topic, tips for better sentences. So don't forget everyone that we also have a main point in here that we can only join 2 present progressive verbs with and to express that those 2 actions or verbs are happening at the same time. Note also that be verb is used only once. So don't forget about this note. Okay, everyone, now let's continue our topic from last time. As you know already, this one we talked about already yesterday, right? This is only the continuation from our lesson yesterday. Common mistakes. As you remember, everyone, I asked you to finish this part of our lesson. Now, what you are going to do is fill in the missing word to make the correct form of the sentence. So we have 3 common mistakes for present progressive form. First is be verb missing. Be verb missing, here's the example. He cooking dinner. So which is the missing be verb in here? So here's the example. He is cooking dinner. So that is the missing be verb. Next, for our next example in here, they reading books. So this one is wrong already. So, in order to make a correct sentence or with the correct form, we need to add what? Are. So, they are reading books. So, this one is correct. Now, another example is she playing the piano. So, what is the missing be verb in here? Is playing, correct. Missing is be verb. Now let's read one more time. She is playing the piano. This one is correct. Now another common mistake is wrong verb usage or wrong using of verb. So here's the example. He is cook dinner. Remember, we are now in present progressive, or we should also call it as present continuous. He is cooked dinner. Definitely this one is wrong. Here's the correct answer, or here are the correct answers. He is cooked dinner. So therefore, this one is obviously incorrect. Now, here are the correct answers. We have two. First, he is cooking dinner. So this one is correct. Another one is he cooks dinner. So this one is also correct. Now we have two remaining examples for wrong verb usage. Second one is they run. They are run in the park. So this one is obviously incorrect. Now, let's rewrite this sentence to the correct form with correct verb usage. So here's the first correct sentence. They run in the park. I know most of you thinking they are running in the park. Yes, definitely you are correct. That is our second sentence for this example. They are running in the park is also correct, and they run in the park is also correct for this sentence. Now, last exercise or last example for wrong verb usage is I am not talk about him. Yeah, you can see already that this sentence is incorrect. Now, let's correct this sentence. I don't talk about him. What else, everyone? I am not talking about him. Correct. Very good. So these are the correct form of sentences not to use wrong verb. Okay? Take note. Now let's move on to our third common mistakes for this present progressive form. Non-action verb used in present progressive form. First sentence, I am knowing that. Non-action verb. We discussed this one already from our past topic. What are those? Knowing, understanding, believe, mean, like, love. Those are non-action verbs, right? So here's another example to make it better. Non-action verb in present progressive form. I am knowing that. To, I know that. So that is the correct form of present progressive sentence. That is the correct sentence for this. Second is, are you understanding? This is very wrong. The correct sentence for this is, do you understand? Next, we have to practice in here. One is, it is meaning luck. Very confusing. Now let's correct this sentence. It means luck. So this one is the correct sentence. Now another example in here. I am believing it. Let's correct this sentence to I believe it. I believe it. So these are the correct sentences. Alright everyone, so don't forget to study again one more time and remember to avoid these common mistakes in the future. Now here's your practice for today. Fill in the blank space with the missing words to make present progressive sentence. Example, he is reading a book. So you have 1 to 15. Finish this practice, everyone, and send back your answers to your teacher's personal telegram. Alright, everyone, so that is our lesson for today. I hope that you understand our lesson, and if you know more about this topic, you can approach your teacher in your study group. So this is the end of our first session, everyone. I'll see you again in our second session. Goodbye.